Nelson Chamisa, the former leader of the Citizens Coalition for Change political party, has lambasted the Zimbabwean government, calling it the sickness of SADC due to its toxic oppressive politics that tarnish the country's image. In a scathing statement on X, formerly Twitter, Nelson Chamisa criticized Zimbabwe for leading the Southern African Development Community, SADC, and Africa in the wrong reasons, citing its notorious reputation for intolerance and repressive politics. "This is so embarrassing and must stop. What a national shame," Chamisa exclaimed, demanding the immediate release of political prisoners. Chamisa's comments come amid growing concerns about human rights and political freedoms in Zimbabwe, where opposition leaders and activists have faced arrest, harassment, and persecution. The government has yet to respond to Chamisa's statement, but the issue is likely to spark further debate and calls for reform in the country.